Hi everyone, I just wanted to, so in this video I'm gonna be alone. Probably wondering why. Well, my friend, it's about my friend. So everyone knows our channel, Ellie and Anna. It's the best, it was my favorite thing to do yet in life. Because me and my friend always enjoyed making the videos on it. And all of a sudden, something happened. I called her. She kept on declining my calls. I don't know really why. Tried to make it the best for her. And yeah. So basically we were playing a game. Then she kept on shooting me. We usually like never shot each other because we always were friends. We were teamers, I have to admit. But there's nothing bad, like very bad in it. And yeah. She started shooting me, and then I called her because I thought she was online for me. Since she was online, I obviously had to call her. I always woke up so early just to see her. And then, this happened. She just told me after I called her, I shot her because I thought it would be more fair if I shot her, she would shoot me. At first, I was sad, and I was kind of like, it was strange for me because she never would shoot me. Usually, she'd always be saying sorry, and I'd always say forgive her. But then, like, yeah, she said I hate you when I answered to her comment. When I called her. When she said I hate you, I said okay, it's okay. I still like you, even if you hate me. Then, then basically she unfriended me on Snapchat. And then I was like questioning her. Why did she do that on Skype? Then she unfriended me a bit too far. She unfriended me on Roblox. I felt even worse of what happened. So we're not gonna probably post anymore. Then if she doesn't want to be my friend, it's okay. She just chooses it. I'm just pretty sad that she did that. She's probably already gonna unfriend me on Skype or block me even. So hope she feels better what she is doing. Like, I know it's her choice and all, but I hope she feels way better of what she did. Then she answered me, finally. She said, we don't get to call each other. You don't usually call me. I was the one who said, why do you decline my calls? And then she was like, no, you didn't say that. And then she was like, it was like before that. I'm like, still, you did what you did. And then she's like, I can feel like I think she liked what she did, because like she would never be like that to me, like ever. And all of a sudden she was. So yeah, that's what really happened. Sadly, there's no more posts on the channel. I might like go to. I might make videos, I guess, but that's gonna be without her. You can go into my other account, I guess, if you don't, because this account is not gonna be active anymore. I'm sorry for the news. Well, probably nobody's even gonna see this. So yeah, just saying we're not gonna be uploading anymore because she doesn't want to be my friend. That's perfectly fine. It's her choice. Yeah, so that's really it. Thank you for watching and probably wasting your time because probably nobody's gonna see this either way. So yeah, thanks for watching. I guess if you did, it really means to me. Well, not really to Ellie, but yeah. Hope you have a nice time and have a great day.